Welcome to today's class. Today's topic is comparing quantities. In that comparing quantities, we have already learned what are the ratios, percentage, and discount, estimation ratio. Okay, these are all we learned already. So today we are going to learn what is compound interest. Okay, what is the compound interest formula? Okay, what is the formula for compound interest? CI means compound interest per half year. Okay, so maybe you know in the last year you have find out how to find out the simple interest. If suppose usually you know, okay, no, anyone if money is required means they will go and they will take from the banks, or else if anyone if it is money is there, they will go and fix it in a bank. That is called fixed deposit. Okay. So if we are giving money to someone, or if we are taking money from someone, means if we are borrowing money, we have to pay some extra amount to that. The extra amount is nothing but the interest. The extra amount is interest we are paying. Either we paying or banks will pay. It's a different case. If anyone pays also, it's a interest. Clear or not? So simple interest we are writing by SI. Okay. What is the formula to find the simple interest? PTR by 100. This is the simple interest. So I'll take one example. Okay, now, and I'll solve and I'll find out. Then you will come to know what is the formula and how to find out. See, in the simple interest, okay, suppose I have taken money from my friend. Okay, now the amount is called principal. Okay, now so what the amount I have taken is 10,000. T means time. So how many time? What is the time? Okay, now T means what? 2 years. Okay, so I have paying. No, the paying should be with a certain calculation. Okay, whatever I want I can't pay. Correct or not? The interest. So amount should be calculated. That we are calling it as rate. R means what? Rate. Okay. Suppose 10% per month, per annum, per 6 months, whatever may be, but per annum I will take. Okay, now. So what is the simple interest? We will see. Okay, now. So simple interest. Principal is what? 10,000. Time is what? 2 years. Interest is what? 10 divided by 100. Okay. Here 1 0, here 1 0, get cancelled. Here 1 0, here 1 0, get cancelled. Okay, no? So 1000 into 2 is, so 2000 rupees is the interest. So what is the total amount I am going to pay is, okay, no? Principal plus simple interest, 10,000 plus 2000 is 12,000 I have to pay after 2 years. Okay, this is by the simple interest. If suppose if it is the by compound interest means how to find out? See, in the compound interest and in the simple interest, what is the difference means? You see, in the simple interest, directly I find out it for the 2 years. For the 2 years, principal is same 10,000. But in the compound interest means what will happen? Every year principal will change. Okay, no? Every year we will find out the interest, and that interest we will add to the principal. Okay, no? And for the new principal we will take for the second year and we will find out. Okay, so till now I don't know no formula. What is the compound interest formula? So generally I will find out. For every one year simple interest I will use, and I will change the principal and I will find out. So at the end of 2 years, what the amount we are going to pay, we will check. Okay. So for compound interest. Okay. So for the first year. Okay. For the first year, what the interest I am going to pay? Interest I am going to pay is what? 10,000. Is this one year, 10 days. Okay. So 100. 2 zeros. Here 1 0, here 1 0 cancel. Okay. First year interest is what? 1,000. Correct or not? So for the next year, is the principal will be same 10,000 in the compound interest? No. For the second year, okay, P will be what? 11,000. 10,000 plus 1 interest, 1,000 rupees. 11,000 is the interest. So what will happen in this year? We'll see. 11,000 into 1 year into 10% by 100. 2 zeros, 1 0, 1 0. Here what? 1100. Correct or not? So total interest I am paying for the 2 years is what? 1,000 rupees plus 1,100 rupees. Okay, no? 1,100. What will get? 2,100. So the amount what I am going to pay by compound interest? Amount by compound interest. What I am going to pay? 10,000 principal I have to pay plus 2,100 for the 2 years interest. So total is what? 12,100. Okay. So 12,100. So 100 rupees extra we are paying than the simple interest. That's why always if anyone gives money means they will give for the compound interest only. Clear or not? They will give for the compound interest. Why? Because in simple interest you will get a less amount. You will get a less amount than the compound interest. Is it clear? Compound interest means every year principal will change. Simple interest means it will be same principal for the whole how many years if you are taking also same principal. So if you want to find out the compound interest means every time you have to find like this first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Suppose 100 years if you are taking or 20 years if you are taking means 20 years you should find like this. Okay, correct or not? Okay, no need of finding like that. Okay, so we have a direct formula to find the compound interest. What is that formula? See, for that explanation also is there. Okay, no need of finding that deriving that formula. Directly you can consider the formula and you can substitute the values. Clear? Okay. Let us see what is that formula. So, compound interest formula that we are writing as CI. Okay, derivation is only just remember the formula. Okay, P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. Is it clear? This is the compound interest formula. Okay, here P is the principal, R is the rate, N is the number of years. Clear or not? Previous example I will take and I will substitute whether we are getting same answer or different answer. Okay, you see what is the principal? 10,000. What is the rate? 10%. Number of years is what? 2. Correct or not? So substitute it. Okay, what do you get? 10,000 into 1 plus 10 by 100 to the power 2. Okay, 10,000 into what is it? 1 0, 1 0, it cancels. Okay, so here what will be 10 plus 1, 11 by 10 whole square. Okay, so 10,000 into 11 square is 121. Okay, 10 square is 100. 2 zeros, it cancels. Clear or no? See, 100 into 122. See, 2 zeros are there. After this also, take 2 zeros. So compound interest is what? 121. 121 into 100 is 12,100. Directly we got. Here we are not getting interest. If you want to find out the interest means in the compound formula, directly amount we will find out. If you want to find out means what we have to do? Compound interest minus principal. Okay, so that implies 12,100 minus 10,000. So that implies 2,100 is the interest. In this way we are. Clear or not? In the simple interest we will find out. Here directly answer we are going to find. Clear or not? See, I said already, compound interest we can take for the year or half year or the semi year also we can take. Half year nothing but semi years only we can take. Even sometimes if you want you can take for every month also or 3 months once also. Quarterly also we can take. Clear or not? But we will find out it for the half year. Okay, no? Is that same formula is going to take for the half year? No. Why? Because see, 1 year means every 1 year principal change. Half year means every half year principal change. If principal change means automatically interest will be different. Okay, so what we have to take for the half year means, okay, everything same. Okay, everything same. What is the difference? Means principal into 1 plus r by 2 into 100 whole to the power 2n. Okay, power of 2n. Here n is the number of years. Here r by 2 is the interest. Correct or not? Correct or not? Same formula you can use and we can find out the compound interest for every half year. Okay, this is for half year. This is for year. Understood? Very easy formula. Clear?